Hey there, I'm Casey. My background is in healthcare data, program evaluation, and quality control, basically making sure that what's supposed to happen in a system actually does. I'm not an expert. I'm a lifelong learner who spent years asking the hard questions and fixing messy workflows. So, if you've ever second guessed your SQL joins or wondered why your numbers feel off, you're in the right place. Let's break it down together. Change one word in your SQL join, just one, and suddenly your hospital report says 300 patients got treated last week, when it was actually 87. That's not just a mistake, it's a potential disaster. Let's go to the whiteboard, and I'll show you exactly how one to many relationships can quietly break your data. The core idea: tables are like spreadsheets with rules. Let's start with the basics. In a relational database, each table is like a spreadsheet. You've got rows of data and columns for each type of information. So we've got our patient table with three patients: Alice, Bob, and Charlie. This is your patient list. Each row is one patient, but in healthcare or in a real system, we're not just looking at one table. We need to connect information. So we bring in a second table. Let's say appointments. So we've got appointment ID, patient ID, and the date of the appointment: January 2nd, January 5th, and January 3rd. Now we have two connected pieces of data. One table tells us who, and the other tells us when. Here's where it gets interesting. How we join these two tables can completely change what our final data set looks like. Let me show you what I mean.